Hello everyone, welcome back to Emmanuel Tutorials. Today we'll be seeing a continuous time signal example. It's a sketch the signal example. This was asked as a doubt by one of our students in the comment section. If you also have any doubts related to signals and systems or any other electronics or telecommunication engineering concepts, we can try to you can put it in the comments and we'll try to respond. Let's start. So here it's a unit step kind of signal which we are going to add. One is a delayed version, or you can say it's not a delayed version, it's an advanced version. If you just reorder the parts, so this is x of t again. I've just reordered it, so it will be u of minus t plus 2 plus u of 2t plus 1. The first signal has reversal and advance. Second signal has advance and you can say time scaling, right? So according to the precedence rule, first we'll be doing shifting, then scaling, then time reversal. So let's go with the first signal, which is u of minus t plus 2. So shifting meaning we'll be advancing the signal by 2. So a unit step signal, it's a signal which starts from 0, goes up to infinity with amplitude 1. So this is a u of t. And if you delay or if you advance it by 2, it will start from minus 2, same signal with amplitude 1. And next operation we'll be performing is time reversal, since there's no scaling, or you can even call it as scaling by minus 1. So when you say scaling by minus 1, it's same as the time reversal, which, so I'll be just mirroring this signal around the y-axis. So u of minus t plus 2 will start from minus infinity and go up to plus 2 instead of starting from minus 2 with the same amplitude 1. So this is u of minus t plus 2. We have got the first part of our signal. For the second part, again shifting first. Shifting is by 1. It's an advance. So again you'll be starting the signal from, or shifting the signal to the left by 1. So the unit step will start from minus 1 instead of 0 with amplitude 1. Next operation we'll be performing is scaling by plus 2. When you say scaling or time scaling, what it will do is, whatever signal you have, you're going to divide the timestamps by 2. And it's a continuous time signal, so we'll have all the decimal points as well, decimal point times as well. So here we have our signal which is starting from minus 1. So instead of starting at minus 1, our resultant will start at minus 1 by 2. So that is minus zero point 0.5. And the signal at 0 will be at 0. At 1, it will be at zero point 0.5. But it's going to continue till infinity. So that will not make a difference. So we have just drawn the signal as it is. So we have got the second part as well as the first part of the signal. Now what we need to do is add both. Add 1 and 2. When you add both, first signal starts from minus infinity and up to 2 it is 1. The amplitude is 1. Second signal starts from minus zero point 0.5, goes up to infinity with amplitude 1. So from minus infinity to minus zero point 0.5, or you can say till minus 1, or the point before minus zero point 0.5, it's going to be 1, because 1 plus 0 is 1. And at 0.5, first signal's amplitude is 1, second signal's amplitude is also 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, and it's a step signal, so we are going to take a step upward. At 0, first signal's amplitude is 1, second signal's amplitude is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2 again. And this continues till 2, because first signal's amplitude is 1, second signal's amplitude is 1. So we continue the amplitude as 2. At 2 or after 2, the first signal's amplitude is 0 and second signal's amplitude is 1. So at 2 there will be a drop. So what will happen is 0 plus 1 is 1. So from 2 onwards, there will be a drop and then continuous 1 signal. So because it's going to continue till infinity. So this will be a resultant signal. It starts from minus infinity, goes up to plus infinity, but in between we have a amplitude rise from minus zero point 0.5 to plus 2. So this is our resultant x of t. Hope you got this. If you have any doubts related to this question, you can put it in the comments and we'll try to respond. You can also put your other doubts related to electronics engineering in the comments. We will try to respond with a video or the answer to your query. If you have computer science specific doubts, you can put it on the Ebenezer Tutorials channel comment section and we will try to respond with a video. You can also subscribe to Ebenezer Tutorials for more computer science related videos and clarifications. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials for more.